we need to create the customer master record using transaction code BP. Okay, in SAP S/4HANA, we don't have transaction codes XT01. Okay, to creation of the materials, things and all, we use just BP. Okay, and based on the organizations or based on the persons, based on the group, that is your choice. Okay, and take out the role as FLCU00 and take out the customer accounting groups. Customer BP domestic customer. BP domestic customer. Take out that create in BP role FLCU00. Create it and try to enter the information. Try to enter the each and every information that we have. Okay, go to the company code data and try to assign the take out the company code. Select it and go to the adapt option and give the reconciliation account and give the sort key. And go to the create payment transactions and give the payment terms, tolerance group. Check with that button. Okay, check the tolerance group. Go to the check option. Go to the save button and save it. That business is error free. That is why we will going to save the things. And then next one is in the creating BP role. Okay, change the thing. Go to the change option. Go to the change option. Change. I mean specs change pencil option. Yes. And change in BP role. Go to the change in BP role. In that take out FLCU01. 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 Come down. Yes. Take out that customer sales and distribution data. Go to the sales and distribution data. Okay, can you enter the sales organization, distribution channel and division? And division, DI. Click on the enter. Okay, now we need to have the sales office and sales group. Try to enter the sales office and sales group, sales office and sales group. Can you come down? Down, ma'am. And try to assign the customer pricing procedure. Customer pricing procedure is very, very important, all of you. Standard, yes, one. And the next one is go to the shipping. And delivery priority. No. Go to that delivery priority as soon as possible, or else normal you can just give. Normal you can just give. And delivering plant, just give the delivering plant. Can you come down? Okay, everything is perfect, right? Standard. Go to the shipping condition. So we have to take out as soon as possible. Okay. As soon as possible. It's not there. Okay, good. Give the standard. Or else remove the shipping conditions. No need to have any shipping conditions and go to the billing. Give the Incoterms and take out the customer assignment group customers. Take out that thing, CAF, and give the description. And the next one is accounting assignment group customers. Account assignment grouping customers. Yes. Domestic revenues. Take out that thing. And go to the partner function. Sorry, here give the taxes. 0 is the tax. There is no tax for this thing. And go to the partner functions. I think so. Everything is perfect, right? Okay. See, SP, BP, and PY. Okay, good. So go to the check option. If everything is fine, go to the save button and save it. Okay, so take out this customer and assign in this master data. What is that number? Okay, that is the BP customer number. Okay, good. Nice. Remove the XT01 transaction code, just give BP. And yes, we are selling the machines to the particular customer for 25,000 rupees and buying price is 20,000 rupees. And just change the prices 25,000 rupees and 20,000 rupees is the 20,000 rupees is the buying price and selling price is the 25,000 rupees. For that thing, we need to create the condition records using transaction code VK11. Go to the transaction code VK11 now. Go to the transaction code VK11. Go to the transaction code VK11. Just give me 15 minutes of time, all of you. I will try to close this session. Oh, Can you take out the condition type, ma'am? PR00. PR00. Can you give the material, ma'am, that we have created? Go to that material Word document and give that material. Okay, and can you give the amount? How much amount that one is? I think so. ₹25,000 you can just give, ma'am. 25,000 for the material pricings. Okay, we will give it. And in the purchase information records, we can just give 20,000. Click on the enter. No issue. No need to worry. Click on the enter. Give the currency. Give that currency. No. In the unit of measure only. In the unit only, you can just give the currency INR. Unit. That is unit of measure. This is unit. No. Remove this thing. And in the unit, just give INR. Click on the enter. Now go to the save button and save it. So per each quantity, we have records. Okay. So can you give /n? And the next one is purchase information flow. Using transaction code ME11, we need to create the purchase information flow. Okay. Give a ME11. Go to the vendor. Take out the vendor. What is the FI2MM integration vendor? What is the FI2MM integration vendor? Or else I will check it. Give me 1 second. Go to the FI2MM integration and take out that. Come down. 221. We cannot find out that thing. Double 43156. That is Balaji Electronics. And give the purchasing organization and plant and take out the standard and click on the enter. And click on the enter. Enter, ma'am. And no need to enter here. Click on the enter text tab. Plan delivery is 1 and take out the tax code. And what is the tax code that we have? We need to take out the tax code and standard quantity is 1. Is this your tax code? Okay, or else remove this thing, give /n, go to the transaction code OBBZ, give /n and go to the transaction code OBBZ. And give the position, give the position IN, give the country and remove this tax precision, just give your tax precision. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Give /n. Go to the transaction code ME11 and click on the enter, and give the standard quantity 1, and a tax code is standard quantity 1 and tax code. Take out your tax code. Yes. This is not output tax. This is just a purchase information record input tax only. Standard quantity is important. No need to give any purchasing group. Okay. And net price is a 20,000 rupees now. Here, net price is a 20,000 rupees. Okay. And check with the procedure, ma'am. Have we changed anything? Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it first. And the next one is check with the procedure. Give the Incoterms. CAF. No need to give any description. Just click on the enter and give the purchasing group 000. Standard purchasing group. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Condition type is a PBXX. Take out the PBXX. Choose PBXX and give the Incoterms field. Give the Incoterms field. Enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, so take out this purchase information record. What is a purchase information record? 132 is the purchase information record. Remove this purchase information record number. Just give purchase information record as 132. That is a main thing, right? Purchase information record. Okay, good.